Welcome to Elegantly She, the wellness channel dedicated to helping you achieve harmony and balance in your life. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to yoga. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your practice, get ready for proven strategies that will inspire you to start your yoga journey today. So find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, and let's explore the transformative world of yoga together. Picture this: you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and searching for a way to reconnect with your inner self. That's where yoga steps in. It's not just a physical exercise, but a powerful practice that unites mind, body, and spirit. Yoga has been around for thousands of years, and its benefits are scientifically proven. From increasing flexibility and strength to reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality, the positive impact of yoga on our well-being is truly remarkable. How can you start practicing yoga today? Let me guide you through some proven strategies that will make your journey accessible, enjoyable, and most importantly, relatable. Find your style. Yoga comes in various forms, from gentle hatha yoga to dynamic vinyasa flow. Explore different styles and find the one that resonates with you. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about finding joy and connection with your body. Start with basics. Begin with beginner-friendly poses and gradually build your practice. Focus on foundational postures like mountain pose, downward dog, and child's pose. Don't be discouraged if it feels challenging at first. Progress comes with time and consistency. Create a sacred space. Designate a tranquil corner in your home where you can practice yoga undisturbed. Decorate it with candles, plants, and meaningful objects that inspire a sense of peace and serenity. Online resources. Utilize the wealth of online yoga classes and tutorials available. YouTube channels and websites offer a wide range of classes, allowing you to practice in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace. Remember, yoga is a personal journey. Listen to your body, honor its limits, and embrace the process of self-discovery and self-care. Alrighty, let's do a quick yoga flow together. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly bring your hands to your heart center, feeling the connection between your palms. Inhale, lift your arms overhead, and as you exhale, gently fold forward, surrendering any tension or stress. Continue to flow with your breath, allowing each movement to be a meditation in motion. Remember, yoga is for everyone. It doesn't matter your age, body shape, or fitness level. The beauty of yoga lies in its inclusivity and the incredible transformation it brings to all aspects of our lives. Thank you for joining me on Elegantly She. I hope this ultimate guide to yoga has ignited a spark within you to start or deepen your yoga practice. Don't forget to get your copy of our free guide to elevate your wellness that offers tailored tips for women to boost mental and physical wellness. Link in the description box. It includes action plans and reflection questions to keep you accountable. Until next time, embrace the journey, find your flow, and watch as the magic of yoga unfolds in your life.